Oh, they made the box bigger.
Yeah, that's my look. Everyone knows it now.
Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks.
You know the vibes.
What up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy, Sneaker Notes, and today we got an early review on the Yeezy 500 slates. These are slated to come out December 16th. Let's see what I did there, right? I'm really not a huge fan of the Yeezy 500s at all. I did a couple of reviews on them. You could go back in the archive, check them out. But as you can see, not one lasted in the collection. I didn't like the furriness of the toe box. Always looked messy. So that's the reason I didn't keep this. But these right here, they upgraded a lot of things for the high top version of the Yeezy 500. We're going to get into this review, in-depth review. But first, if you're new to the channel, right down there is a subscribe button. Hit that. Look like a Supreme box logo. Hit the notification bell so whenever I upload an early review like this, you'll be one of the first to get it. And also here at Sneaker Notes, we do What's on Foot. This is a segment where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you're rocking on foot when you catch this video. Today, tomorrow, next week, next year, 5 years from now. Just let me know what you're rocking on foot down there. Me, I see I'm a little pinked out, little blue, Adidas Tyro pants on. So I went with the Pharrell Human Races. I don't know what they call these ones, but these the ones with the Chinese symbols, the writing on it. See, it has the pink in it, the blue. Very comfortable shoe. I shouldn't have to say that. You know, very comfortable shoe. It's raining outside today in Brooklyn, New York. These are great for that. So again, on foot, I got on the Pharrell Human Races in the comment section below. Let me know what you're rocking on foot. And without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Bam. So, as I said earlier, the box is very, very much bigger. Of course, because it's a high top. But it's the same box. And y'all know, I'm a big fan of presentation. And I just feel like Yeezy's he's like 30 to 40 sneakers in. It got to be a way that he changes the box. He even changed the color. 350s, 350 V2s, 500s, 700s, 750s, Wave Runners. I feel like he should change the box. But I like the brown box, don't get me wrong. But I feel like that should have been for the original colors. And now that you're doing so many other sneakers, you should change the box. In the comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about that. So, same Yeezy box. Slide out. And let's start with the right shoe. We get close to get you that 360 view. Back and forth. Coming around the back. Now, me personally, overall, I like the shoe. I wish he would have went a little extra on the color. The color is called Slate. And if you know what Kanye's been doing lately, he's been using a lot of earth tone colors. You know, colors that's in the earth. That's how you get slate and blush and bone. The Yeezy 500 low top, well, original Yeezy 500 that's low top. Bone just came out last week. They sitting. So if you want them, they're in stores. But this one right here is called Slate. But to me, it's more of a pale blue to it's like a light navy blue. So you start with the toe box. As I told you, I'm not a fan of the Yeezy 500s because this toe here always looked messy. It looked like Adidas and Yeezy got together and they cleaned that up. This is more of a suede nubuck. And it's more of a premium material, if you ask me. Doesn't look like this would get messy as the original Yeezy 500s. Along with that, it's a lot of leather accents in here. You have them here, and they go all the way up to the high top part. And even the eyelids is dripped in that nubuck, suede nubuck. Right? The outsole, well, the outside of the sneaker is just like the inside of the sneaker. And this comes with your Addy Prime material, or Addy Prime, Addy Preem. Either way, it has the Addy Preem in it. Super comfortable, super soft, rubbery feel there. Your bottom here, look at your Addy Prime. We all know Adidas is really the only shoe company that still comes with all these tags on the shoestrings. But as you can read here, Adidas Yeezy 500 high. They letting you know they high. Alright, the shoestrings is the same color as the sneaker. It's really only two colors in this sneaker. You got black for your leather that's hitting all the way around. Even the sock liner is that soft material. So the sock liner is that slate color. I like to call it blue because it's definitely a blue. And then you got your black leather or pale blue around that part. Suede nubuck on the back. No pull tab. As you can see. Let's go inside. Inside it reads Yeezy Ultralight. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to catch that, but I don't feel like unlacing these sneakers with Yeezy Ultralight in the inside. And I don't know, man. These sneakers dropped December 16th. I think they dope. I'm definitely gonna keep these in my collection because I done had the blush, the black, the yellow, and they all went because I didn't wear them. I was scared of that toe box so much. But it looks like Adidas, they really took their time with this one. Adidas logo right there. They really took their time with this one, and they made the materials better. The tongue looks soft to touch. It's a big tongue. You can tell the difference between a high and a low. The tongue is like oversized. It's an oversized tongue. All soft material. And that's your Yeezy 500 Slate early review. In other news, besides the Yeezy 500 Slates coming out December 16th, these are restocking. The Yeezy 350 Zebras are restocking. Adidas sent me an update today. So if you're not watching this today, don't go with no other information. They sent me an update today to sign up to register for the Yeezy 350 Zebra restock. So if you missed out on these, this is actually my second pair. If you missed out on the Zebra Yeezy 350s, then you can register to get these again. Again, a lot of Yeezys is dropping for the month of Christmas. Here's a few. So be smart. Buy what you want. Don't buy it because you think it's popular. Buy what you want because so many are coming out. You know it's the week of greatness. Buy what you want, man. So again, this is an early review of the Yeezy 500 Slates. Comparing Yeezy 500s to Yeezy 500s, this is actually the best one yet. Material-wise, quality-wise, and who doesn't love a high top? I just wish the color was a little more like when he came out with the Wave Runners, those colors were hitting, and that's why they're so popular. So Yeezy 500s, let me know in that comment section if you're looking to cop. Again, this is an early review. Make sure you subscribe. Notify your boy, man. Everybody, get rich.
Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks.